Hello guys, how you all doing? Some days ago I came across a video where they were saying the right way to use fork and knife is you turn the back. Normally you're supposed to use it like this, but the video they were like you have to turn the back and use your knife. Like, imagine this quantity of food. Which year am I going to use this back of fork to eat? Like, how is that going to work? It doesn't make sense. Like, even like this safe, I'm still going to spend like 1 hour here, let alone using the back. It's better, since I'm not from the Western world, it's better I use my hand. This is much better. This is much better. And thank you for watching.